Mnangagwa and his Uganda cartel group will definitely go. Their time of constitutional manipulation, backdoor deals, and desperate power grabs is coming to an end. Sarapina mashukubda nyo kwa pangwa ine atrikona kuti vakomana varamba puranga voya pangwa ine vachiratidza vari kugunun'una havasi kufara pangwa ino atrikuona kuti they are not happy kuchinokwa kunzi MPs navakumana kusenate they have sold out pangwa ine kunokwa kunzi they have decided kuti vatore mabribes in return pangwa ine vachivhotera for constitutional amendments. Sarapina mashoko mudanyo kwa pangwa nachizi the price of betrayal pangwa ine. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa ine payendo ya mapuranga mudanyira cheating. The people see it. The veterans see it. History is already recording it. We stand firmly with the 2013 constitutional order. That is the document we fought for, lied for, and defended. It is not a piece of paper to be twisted for one man's ambition or his inner circle's enrichment. We reject outright the CAB3 maintenance agenda. This rushed, tainted, in an unconstitutional attempt to extend terms, sidesteps the people, and turn parliament into a rubber stamp for dynastic schemes. That madness has no place in a sovereign republic. We are going for elections as usual, direct, free, fair, and on the timetable set by the 2013 constitution. No extensions, no parliamentary coronation, no notwithstanding clauses designed to cheat the people of their right to choose their leader. The people will decide in 2028 and every cycle thereafter exactly as the supreme law demands. I have said it before and I say it again. Power is temporary, the constitution is permanent. Any attempt to place one man or one cartel above the people's will is not reform, it is treason against the very order we sacrificed to establish. Doma developments are pangwa ine. Recommend section medu za fungura so subscribe or like on the bell icon.